sorry. So we just went down. We're gonna give you guys a pass, probably for another attraction, because we close in about 15 minutes.
That's what we like. Another breakdown. Oh my God. Oh well, that's life. Back again. See if we can get on this time.
Thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pokhara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pokhara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9 Num and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the force be with us.
Well, yesterday we were here and we did not get this far. So let's see how we go. Tonight, if they open the door.
What are they doing?
You better fix it. Not again. That's it. Put some gaffer tape on it. Next level ride. Here we go.
I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pokhara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep it tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields. Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump. Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers. We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
It's a first and necessary fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake.
Your units on the same side of the corridor. If you fail to comply, you will be permanently separated.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
You're needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Let's go.
Which way are we out?
Right. Blue and red to your left. Green and orange to your right.
So here, those coming back with an attack
Blue and
force.
red to your left.
It's the escape pod
To
now.
your right.
Lieutenant Beck, we need to find a way.
Recruto pedimos para su seguridad permanezcan sentados con su cinturón de seguridad bien ajustado. Mantengan las manos más dentro del transporte y supervisen a sus niños.
With seatbelt securely fastened, keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, there goes to the prisoners.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detachment to level D. There they are. Fire. Take cover, recruits. If anyone's backing a blaster, now's a good time. The escape pod's just below us. Wait, why are you going up? I said down. Up is bad. Up is real bad.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
The prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
You can fix it. Try swapping the drive link. I know you can do it. See? I knew you could do it.
Attention, all resistance personnel. Abandon ship. Repeat, abandon ship. This is short as a battery.
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're Resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know, scan for his pod beacon.
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.
how good is this ride? It just does not get better. That ride is awesome. And I am seriously tripping over everything, but I am hoping that I film this ride better than I've ever done before and that you enjoy it. Because seriously, I love that ride.